What a day for Exela Technologies Inc. XELA stock. This stock continued to push up higher, and a lot of investors are questioning, is this the beginning of a squeeze? Before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And all I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video, to stay tuned on in for everything I have to cover. And by smashing that like button, you let me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos, and it helps out the YouTube channel. And I can't thank you enough for doing so. So hit that thumbs up. So here we are, XELA, Exela Technologies Inc. Now, XELA stock has actually been in that sideways consolidation, pushing upwards in the last several days. And today it broke out. The question is this the beginning of a squeeze? Now, for shorts to cover, it takes a little bit more than just a dollar jump or 50-cent jump, but this is the beginning, right, of forcing shorts having to cover, and this could start pushing up to newer highs. After such a bearish run, hitting lows here of 222 and bouncing up and consolidating, the stock is building momentum, and that 222 support level has been significant. We've been watching it, and now we have a channel forming here, right, within this area that has been broken out of, okay? And now it's sitting at this area here. Now we're gonna look at a resistance level in the past of the chart, which is 339, that the bulls actually need to turn into a support and bounce off of so they can reach newer highs. So keep that in mind. The bulls need to break off of 339 to reach newer highs and new resistance levels. But before we look at that, let's go ahead and look at what's important right now in the charts. So here we are, seeing it moving upwards. After market hours, it overextended to newer highs. I mean, the momentum is going. So pre-market was pretty volatile, hit a low here of 294, jumped up to 320s, and pulled right back down to $3. So I want us to break this down and dissect this chart as much as possible. The first support is way up here at 317. The next one would be down here at $3. And if it breaks through $3, the lowest point of the day is 294. I would watch those areas and see how the bulls react, if they try to bring this back up, or if the bears are tearing this one down fairly fast. Do keep that in mind and pay very close attention to the action within these levels. Now, the highest point reached in the day is 342, currently sitting at 339. That needs to be broken through 342 as well. And if that's accomplished, the next goal would be up here at 404. I would just round that down to $4. The bulls definitely want to break through that, turn that into a support, and the higher up this goes, the higher the chances of the shorts having to cover. What do you think? Have the shorts started to cover, or is this just beginning? I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Is the possible squeeze coming? Because the higher this goes, the higher the chances of the shorts having to cover. Now, if you learned something new, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell so you don't miss a single video that I post. Share this with a friend so they can receive the insight as well. And I have a ticker symbol to share with you guys that's presenting itself as an opportunity. The last time we caught it at these levels, it nearly doubled. And I have ticker symbols to share with you guys that I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something you want to become part of, and you want to get live updates on the stocks I watch daily, and also with the other members, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us. Stay tuned. So the ticker symbol I have to share with you guys today is one that I've talked about before, and it continues to consolidate at these levels, presenting itself as an opportunity. And we're going to look at the chart and everything about it in just a moment. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So I talked about HJLI, OTLK, and LIXT. HJLI was our worst performer of the day, giving us 5 to 10% jumps, but it wasn't too bad. Right there next to OTLK's opportunity. And let's go ahead and look at how LIXT performed. It was our home run of the day. So LIXT, talked about it right at the bell. It pulled back to 326 and it took off from there, giving a highest point of 20% plus within about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And OTLK right at the bell, it actually jumped in the pre-market, started to pull down towards the bell. It dropped at the bell and it took off to a highest point of 10% plus. So the stocks today all gave realistic expectations. The market right now, no matter where it's going, at least there's still opportunities. And if you want to know what stocks I watch daily, you're more than welcome to join us. The link is down below in the description to the Discord, and we look forward to having you join us, and that's something you can become part of today. So what's the ticker symbol you want to add to your watch list? Well, it's LOTZ, Carlots Inc. This is a stock I've talked about already before, earlier this week, as well as a stock I talked about back in May, and it nearly doubled. Now, I'm not saying it's going to double again. I'm not guaranteeing that, but the one good thing right now that I'm seeing is this consolidation and the fact that it's not that far from the most recent low of $4. So it's just 45 cents away from that, and that makes it an even bigger opportunity because based off that lowest point, if it gets retested or slightly broken through, this could go down another 10 to 20%. But once that reversal happens, it's not that far from it, and it's something that I'm willing to even buy the dip if it falls just a bit, up to a certain extent, obviously. But once the reversal does happen, this might have some type of momentum to the upside in a significant manner. I'm not saying it's going to be exactly the same of a double up, but this stock tends to move pretty fast. I mean, it moved from 440s to 480, a 10% jump in 2 days. Down here from 430s to 490, another 10 to 15% jump in about 4 days. So at this consolidation area right here, it's showing strength and it's filled with opportunity, guys. And 10 to 15% in a matter of days or weeks or even a month is a lot better than waiting on the S&P 500 index based off of the average, right? After research has been done of 10 to 15% per year, guys. So this stock is an opportunity as it is. And if it goes any lower, the bigger it's going to become. And if it continues to consolidate with strength, that is a good sign that the bulls are holding this one up from going any lower and even retesting those lows back here from May, guys. This is just me enlightening you guys on why I'm watching these stocks, what I like about them, and what brought me to them. You don't have to make any of the decisions here based off of what I say to go buy or even sell the stock. That's not the intended purpose of the video. This is just me sharing my opinions and my research for you to go do further due diligence and make your own rational decisions as investors. Thank you guys so much for watching. And as always, let's make some money.